viewers, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to connect KOORUI monitor to PC. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're wanting to how do you exactly connect your KOORUI on monitor here, well, this one is very simple. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and identify which ports you currently have on your PC. Now, the newer PCs right now, or the newer GPUs out there that are being released, usually they have a HDMI or a display port available on them. Now, for older PCs, you might have a DVI, VGA, or dual link DVI here. So if that's the case, if you have either of the threes here at the bottom, well, usually you need to have an adapter in order for you to start using it. So usually a DVI to a display port or HDMI, either of those, but usually you need to use an adapter. But again, like what I said, usually PCs right now should have a display port or HDMI. Now, same goes with KOORUI here. On your monitor, you want to go in and basically determine what you currently have. So if you have a display port, you can go and use that. If you have HDMI, you can go and use that. But with those different type of ports, you also have different types of cables. So you have your display port and your HDMI. Now, if you're planning to using your display port, you could go ahead and buy a display port cable here. Just make sure that whenever you use display port here, you also have like in this case, you also have available in your PC. So again, you go and use display port, use it on your monitor and on your PC. Now, if you want to use an HDMI, you can go and search for an HDMI port in here. Just use an HDMI cable and plug it into your monitor and into your PC. And usually speaking, if you've installed your GPU properly, it should automatically have it appear, or your PC would actually automatically use it on your monitor, or use your monitor immediately. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So this one's very simple. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.